the top 3 HVAC tips you need to know. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all of you HVAC enthusiasts out there. We're going to share the top 5 HVAC tips that will keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is regular maintenance. Just like your car needs regular checkups, your HVAC system also requires some TLC. Schedule an annual maintenance check with a professional technician to ensure everything is working smoothly. This will prolong the lifespan of your HVAC system and help you avoid costly repairs in the future. Tip number 2 is all about the air filter. Did you know that a dirty air filter can hamper your HVAC system's performance? Remember to clean or replace your air filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on the manufacturer's recommendations. A clean air filter ensures better indoor air quality and allows your HVAC system to operate efficiently. Tip number 3 is to invest in a programmable thermostat. Gone are the days of manually adjusting your thermostat throughout the day. With a programmable thermostat, you can set different temperature schedules for various times of the day, optimizing your HVAC system's efficiency and saving energy. It's a win-win.